So good morning on day 7. We are all walking. I'm just going to turn my camera around so you can see that I'm not walking alone today. Voila, there's my friend Marianne. There are other Pellegrinos in front of us. Now we're going to Tui, which is in Spain. It's 9 o'clock and I think we've got about 19, 20, don't quote me on that, kilometers. It's a busy road, but this morning we got a ride. Well, let me go back to last night. Last night from the farmhouse, we got a ride from Antonio to the restaurant. And then Antonio drove us back to the farmhouse. And then this morning, God, t'as-tu le nom de la madame? T'as-tu le nom de la madame hier? No, I don't even know her name, okay. Geez, we didn't get her name. Anyway, so she drove us to... She drove us to the stop, which is before Magdalena? Oh, I don't know. Non, ça c'était en cas d'urgence durant la soirée quand il était parti. All that to say, I don't know her name. It wasn't Magdalena. Magdalena was the name of the person that we could have called if there was a need in the middle of the night, because the lady that we were staying at, her farmhouse, she works at night. And she's been working in that farmhouse for 24 years or 27 years. Many, many, many years. See you later. That's where we're going, down there. Can I just jump over? Is it safe if I jump over? No, we can't jump over. It's not safe. But we're going around. And I don't know if I should take my poles out, but I might have to very, very soon because we're going down. Sometimes it's just easier with poles when you're going down. So I think I'm going to do that just to be on the safe side. It really does help. So I don't know if we're in Rubias or not, but we're on our way to Tui. That I know for sure. And we will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.